Staying focused is really important for productivity, but it's easy to get distracted. Here are 6 simple strategies to help you stay on track. First, have a plan. Take time each morning to write down what you want to get done. This will act as your daily guide. Second, prioritize your tasks. Arrange them in order of importance, so you're working on what matters most. Third, take time to refine and recalibrate. Life happens, so stay flexible. Take a midday assessment to see what you've completed and adjust your priorities. Fourth, take breaks. Working nonstop can become a distraction itself. Give your brain a chance to refresh so you can think clearly. Fifth, just say no. If something will throw you off schedule, it's okay to politely decline. Don't say yes to things that don't move you forward. Finally, reward yourself. Pat yourself on the back when you accomplish something. This will boost your confidence and keep you motivated. These 6 strategies can transform how you approach your daily tasks and long-term goals. The key is to start with 1 or 2 of these methods and gradually build them into your routine. Remember, staying focused isn't about being perfect. It's about being intentional with your time and energy. What matters most is that you keep moving forward, even if it's one small step at a time. What other ways do you keep yourself focused throughout the day? Let me know in the comments below. If this video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more productivity and personal development content. Thanks for watching.